how to print any name on any part. Okay, a part name or part number. Okay, so see, you have to open. Let me close everything. Okay, let's do one thing. You have to open one drawing, file, new, select drawing, say okay. You will get one drawing like this. What you have to do, you have to take text in drawing, text, click over here, write for example Jan. Okay, say enter. You got this one. Okay, means let me delete this one. So you got this one. Okay, Jan. What you have to do, file, save as. In this folder, format will be dxf. Okay, save as, type dfx, say save. Okay, we have saved this file. Now can you see this drawing to dxf? Let me close this file. Okay, let me close this one. Okay, now see what we have. We have already one drawing file. We have written down over here with help of text command. This one we have a name Jan. We have saved this file. Save as. Just you can rename or you can keep as it is. Say dxf. Format will be dxf. Say save. Once you save this drawing file as dxf, you will get one file dxf. Okay, Jan.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Now you have to open this file. Go here, drag this file over here in CATIA. Now you have this file as dxf. Okay, can you see this drawing point dxf in title? Zoom properly, you will get this name. Just copy this. Copy, Control C, select this one. File, new, apart. Say okay. Okay. Alt I-B, position sketch on top plane or this plane. Say okay. Low light. Where is the low light? Low light. I will just Control B. After Control B, say fit all in. Where is the text? Right click, center graph. Right click, reframe on. Can you see? Jayant? Yes. Select this one. Fix together. Say okay. Now I can move this. Where is my origin? Where is my access system? Constraint this with this one says 0. Got it? Yes or no? Okay. Now I got this name Jayant. I will keep like this. Say exit. Let's do pad. This one like this. Like this. Say okay. Now Alt type B again. What I will do? Just I will create a box and I will remove the body. Got it, Jen?
Yes, sir.
I will create a box like this. Exit. I will do pad on the reversed side. Okay. I will apply. I will remove this one first. So I want depth of 1 mm. So let's skip 1 mm on that side. Alt type B. Add this one. Enter. Remove this one. Say enter. Then apply shell. This side say okay. Got it? Yes or no? If you
Yes,
want
sir.
to, let's define this one, remove body, define this one. fillet, intersection, no, intersection with no, NNC, select the faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check. Can you apply one and fillet? Yes. Again apply fillet. I want intersection of this fillet. No, it is not working again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, done. Not defined. Update. Shell. Shell will fail because of fillet value. Okay. So let's make it fillet of shell of 0.5. Let's check. No. Okay. So shell is failing because of fillet value. Okay. If we change the fillet value, it will work. I think so. Make it 2. Make it 2. And let's apply now fillet of zero point 0.5. It should work. Shell is of 0.5. Define, update. So it is working. Check in smooth mode. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Control S. Do you want this file? I don't think it will work. Means you will need this file because you will need drawing DSF file. You will save the drawing in form of DFX. Then you will drag that sketch. You will do copy paste. Okay, Jen? Just
I
try it.
not done. Sir,
Okay?
video, sir, video.
No, you will receive the video. Okay? Clear? Simple.
Yeah.